In this third part of real gas, we are going to discuss about the feature of van der Waals gas equation. From this feature, we can learn about the PV curve and the concept of critical state in this video. Let's start with the feature of van der Waals gas equation. Actually, it's we can say the validity of this equation also. Now let's start from P versus V curve. Now in the first part of real gas, we have already learned about the experimental curve of PV, which was known as Andrews curve. In the part 1 segment, once again let me show you. That means in the part 1 segment I have shown this curve, that is Andrews plot. This is the experimental, that means this is the experimental curve. So actually same thing I have shown, it is also here. The red line, that is the experimental plot. The experimental plot where denotes the Andrews plot actually. So this is the experimental plot, that means the red line is shown is indicating the experimental plot, whereas the black line, that means the black line is showing the theoretical plot. Theoretical plot means following real gas equation, that is van der Waals gas equation. That means if we follow the van der Waals gas equation, then we are getting this type of curve. So it is very much clear to all of us. There is a little bit difference between the experimental one and the theoretical one. One more thing we have to see over here, that means the curve, that means the deviation in this range, that means whenever it is theoretical, it is showing the minimum and maximum point, whereas in the experimental value there is no minimum and maximum. But as we rise up, that means it is the temperature, it's the temperature T1, say it is T2, it is T3, obviously it is T4. That means T1 is the lowest temperature, less than T2, less than T3, like that. So as the temperature rises up, we can see, that means the amount of minimum maximum is lowered down. At a certain point, it more or less identical with the experimental plot. Now this point is known as critical state. As I told you, that means we also learn about the critical state also. So the thing we have to remember that at low range of temperature, van der Waals gas equation, that is theoretical plot, having deviation from experimental plot, that is Andrews plot. Here it shows minimum and maximum point, but relatively at higher temperature in the plot we can say it is T3. it is T3. Once again, in the plot it is T3, that means higher range. Here no, the maximum is vanished over here. So in the point T3, at relatively higher temperature, the experimental and theoretical plot more or less identical. In plot at point C, there is no minimum and maximum. So the thing you have to remember that means at low range of temperature, little bit deviation is shown by van der Waals gas equation, but at higher temperature it is satisfying the real gas activity. Now the thing is that the concept of critical state, that means at this temperature, so this is also the very important point, critical state. Let me discuss about critical state. How we define the critical state? Critical state can be defined as, it can be defined as the temperature that it is Tc, the temperature above and from which the theoretical and experimental plots are identical with each other. That means van der Waals equation satisfies the real gas behavior. So we have to remember that this is known as the critical state. From and above this temperature, the real gas is more or less identical, showing the more or less identical behavior with the experimental value. So which is known as critical state. So hope that up to this part it's clear to all of us.